Hello lad, compliment of the season. So today we're going to be looking at how to post various transactions into the cash sales. We know that sales of a particular product, when it's being recorded or posted, it's actually posted into the income or the revenue account, which shows under income and expenditure account or your P&L account. So how exactly do we post cash sales or cash revenue that comes into the company? So I'm going to put you through. So we begin by going through our QuickBook. I'll open. I will minimize this. Okay, now this is Regenix Hospital Limited. They are service-oriented company. So now the customer comes into the company and requests to see a doctor. Now, all the relevant document that needs to be processed so that it will be easy for them to see the doctor. They need to open a patient card. They have to also pay to see the doctor. So those particular heads or revenue heads are needed to be inputted into this particular account, so they're able to generate the information which is transmitted to the P&L. So we begin by going to our menu bar, go to our chart of account. Let's expand this. Now these are the various expenditures and revenue heads are fixed. So these are all the expenditures. Consider these are the income. Scroll down. Okay, now you see these are the income. So we need to create other revenue heads. So we begin by going to our account, click on new. Now we click on income. It's revenue. We are actually looking at. You can see categorize money earned from normal business operations, short like service sales, product sales, or discount to customer. So now we now click on continue. Okay, so now this is the account side. So now what do we put here? We put here medical. Yes, this registration, patient registration card. Okay, click on save. Just to go to create another one. We have general consultation. Okay. Oh, let's go back. Click on continue. Okay. So done. Now we have data. We have ophthalmology. We have various, all the specialists, medical specialists, urologists. We have FNAC. We have surgeon. We have gynae, gynecology, consultation. Okay, we have medical director, consultation. We have pediatrician. application. Okay, we can also have drugs. We have a special vaccine. So let's stop here. Just close. So these are all the income. You can see them. Break them down. The income. So these are all the income. So now we want to start. First of all, do we have what are known as the cash sales? That's the bank. What I mean is that when money is being paid by the client or the working customer, it's actually being received by the cashier. So at that stage, that is a bank. The money is being collected by the cashier. That is, cash is being received by the cashier, and that's a bank temporarily. So now money is now taken from the cashier and paid to the bank. So before then, we must create a cash in draw. That's what it means. So yes, go and look. Do I have anything like cash in draw here? No. So now what we need to do now, we need to create one. So when we go to our edit, go to our preferences. Okay, so check the aspect of general. Okay. Can you see accounting? I want to create this track. No, not this. So let's look at the preferences. Let's click on this. So this one can also be discount. Do we have discount here? It says discount here. Okay. That's done. Let's go back. Preferences. Just ensuring that I'm putting everything right so that you can be able to use it when need be. Finance charge. Let's see. Okay, it's not that. It's a good application. No. Don't pick it. Multiple currency. Let's see. Okay, let's look at payment. Job. Okay, it's not that. Payment. Okay, so this is it. Now what I'm trying to say is that the money is being received by the customer. It's received by the cashier from the customer, and when it's being paid, the money has to be placed in what is known as undeposited fund, also known as cash in draw. So now what it means that I need to go at it has been clicked. Okay, so I have it on automatically apply payment, automatically apply payment. Okay, use. So yes, look, do we have now undeposited fund? Let's click OK. Let's see, do we have undeposited fund? Okay, so now we need to create one, because let's see, if we go to customer and go to enter sales, so we're done. Okay, now it's taking us here. Now if I click on this, you can see that there's nothing like undeposited funds under this particular template is supposed to show undeposited funds. So let's go back to our edit and see what actually happened. So we said automatically apply payment, automatically calculate, use undeposited fund as a default payment. Do you want to send payment to vendor? Okay, let's see. And let's see if I click on. Okay, let's see what will happen. So just hold on and see what will happen. I've clicked on it on the box. Okay, let me now go to the chart of account. Which was this chart of account. Okay, so let me see. Now we can see that we now have the undeposited funds. We now have undeposited funds. So now we just click on customer, enter sales. I can see now we have the deposit to undeposited fund. Some might create cash in draw if it's okay. So let's go back to chart of account. Okay, so now it's under current assets. So let's start now. Let's begin. Go to our customer. The patient is walked in. Now wants to make some payment. So we start. So yes, this is working customer. We haven't created a customer, so we need to create one. So here we create walk-in customer. Now that's a general name for all our customer. Let's copy this and paste. We don't need all this information, just what we need now is just to have it. Okay, so now we start with the first one. This patient registration card. Let's click on this head. Oh, we have to create the item head. Item heads, services. Okay, now we have the first one is patient registration card. Okay, and it falls under patient here. Okay. Okay, now, so the next one we have is click on new. This is service rented, medical, director, consultation. It falls under medical. Right. Okay. Click. Okay. What next? Let's say that. Okay. General. Let's create a new services. General consultation. Okay, it falls under general consultation. Okay, it's looking nice. So let's begin. The first person that the cashier that actually received it, let's put Rachel Susan, and maybe it was morning shift. Since the company runs the 24 hours Okay, and let's say this one was 5,000. Okay, it's cash. So let's make sure it's cash. So let's click another page. Let's just copy this. Copy this. Okay. Let's copy this. Put down. Okay. Let's say this was 10,000. Next again was 15,000. Okay, let's say we also saw pediatrician services. Pediatrician. Okay. Okay, and the same officer in charge, that's 20,000. So the night shift patient registration, let's say this was Kemi Adekunle. I did it. Just night shift. Okay. Adekunle did patient 5,000. Maybe it's a general. So just copy this. Have it copied. Okay. Patient took drugs. So let's open that for drugs. Drug services. Drugs. It's an income. Okay. So put this. This drug was 75. So that's all about it. Date, and I put what? Okay, customer looking good. You can put your narration pin, cash sales for 24th December 2022. Looking good. Sales 1. So click on save. Ignore. Good. So now this is our cash sales. So now we can go to our report. Go to company and financial report. Click on profit and loss. Now you can see under our income, these are all the breakdown of our cash sale for the 24th of December 2022. So that's all about how to create and post relevant income head and how it's being transmitted to generate into your P&L. So thank you very much for giving me your time, and I hope to see you in the next episode. We'll be looking at creating expenditure head. See you then.